Morning everybody, it's Chris here from Serene Education with the final analysis update for the US dollar against the Japanese pair for the 26th of October 2010. I'm just looking at it on our CTC strategy template, made up of 6 time frames, starting with the daily that I'm looking at right now, right through to the 5 minute. Okay, yesterday we saw more selling to the downside and subsequently it took us below a previous support area, and now we can see it's rallying this morning as we speak. It's rallying back up to this area here. If it can break above this area here and close higher, then we could see further upside movement. But it looks like as it stands now, we could see a consolidation period taking place. On a 4 hour, you can see that previous break, support, and what it's doing now is it's coming back to test it. So if it fails to break higher than this previous support area, then we could just see it fall back over again. Okay, so it could be a breakout, pullback, and continuation from where it's come from. So still not very much a extended downtrend. You can see that just by looking at it here on this time frame. Like I said to you, failure to close above the support area here. Where we're looking at now is at 8100. We'll see further downside movement. Let's have a look and see if we can see that. That downside movement, or that resistance level, is coming in the part of the 200 period moving average on both the 15 and 30 minute time frames, as well as the 50 period moving average on the hourly. Okay, can you see that? I'll just bring up the 30 minute. You can see we've broken through previous high for this time frame, and the next area is the next support area, which is around about the 8105 mark. So it's going to be testing those areas soon. Failure to break higher than that would see further downside movement. You've got lower swings, and you can see that. So it's testing it now. This downside on a 30 minute. If you look at the 15 minute, you can see how the 200 now is also in play. The CTC is not giving us a really clear signal because it's just all over the place, to be honest with you, at the moment. So we want to see it obviously trading above this support area here. So will this now at 8100 excuse me, be a resistance level, and a failure to see any upside movement? Failure to see a break above this 8100 mark would see it simply fall back over. We've seen 2 swings to the low side, and this would just be confirmed as that trend retest. And then what we could do is we could see it fall back over again and then test areas such as this area here at 80.70 and ultimately right down here at 80.40 and lower. So as it stands at the moment now, CTC is not giving us a clear signal. You can see we're in a bit of consolidation. Ideally, we want to see in the next 15 minutes or so, the next hour, a break above 8100 to confirm more upside movement to 8150 as a potential target. Otherwise, in the next hour or so, a failure to break above this or so, would simply see it roll over and we could see a retest to the downside. Okay, that's it, guys, in its simplest form. On the 4 hour, you can see it's retesting the underside of this. A failure to break above 8100 will just confirm a breakout, pullback, and continuation to the downside. Just remember that cap. So on a bigger time frame, pairs testing a previous strong support now could be a likely strong resistance level at 8100. That 8100 could be the pullback area, and we could see a continuation to the downside. So if you're looking at this is our start, this is where our pullback occurs to 8100, then you're looking at 61.8 as first target, second target 100, so below the 80 mark. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you have a fantastic day trading. Just remember to only trade when the setup presents itself. Do not chase trades. Make sure your money management is in place before trading any of the pairs today. And importantly, enjoy your trading and keep it simple and trade serenely.